Three totally different biscuits from one single dough. Yes, dear friends, we'll make these delicious and yummy biscuits from the ingredients which are easily available in our kitchens. The biscuits would be cranberry grape cookies, pista cookies and chocolate cookies, and these are the ingredient list. Now to start, we will beat the butter which is at room temperature and it is softened. First we'll soften the butter very well. Add sugar little by little. And this mixing and beating of the fluffiness of sugar and butter is very important whenever we are making any type of biscuits. After that, after it has fluffed up and you can see how soft it has become, after that we will add vanilla extract. And since we are making three different types from this one dough, we will divide the butter sugar mix into three different portions. The total would be approximately 330 grams, so we will get 110 grams in each division. And I have taken chocolate chips also in this in addition to the ingredient list. I have missed that out on the ingredient list. For the chocolate biscuits, you can add choco chips also. Now these are black grapes and dried cranberries for the cranberry grape cookies. Instead of black grapes, you can use brown grapes or plain raisins also as per your wish, or any other dry fruit for that matter. These are the pista which have been very finely diced, and badam also has to be finely slivered. After that we will add into the measured out sugar and butter. We'll add plain flour or gluten-free flour. Mix it well. And into the cranberry cookie we will add 1 drop, this is completely optional, 1 drop of orange food color, gluten-free food color or any other color of your choice. This can be completely omitted also. And then mix it very well. Addition of milk is also not required, it is optional, or you may add just 1 teaspoon of butter so that you can get a soft consistency, and keep that aside. The dough for cranberry grape cookie is ready. Now we are going to make the pista cookie. For that I have used 1 green food color, 1 drop of green food color, that is also optional, and add pista, the sliced pistachios, and with addition of 1 teaspoon of milk or half teaspoon of additional butter, we'll make a soft dough and keep it aside. So these two are ready. We'll go for the third one, the chocolate cookies. As per the ingredient list, we'll measure out the dough and cocoa powder, add choco chips and badam. You may also add walnuts in its place, in place of almonds, and make a soft dough. Which will come together. Now these are the 3 base doughs for all the 3 types of cookies. Now we will lay out a parchment or a baking paper and roll out each cookie sheet, and with a cake scraper we will bring it all in so the edges are straight and edges are clean. You may also use molds of different shapes and cut out cookies of your liking. The After this, the process is entirely as per your liking. Now keep this, after rolling out, keep each cookie sheet in the fridge for at least 15 to 20 minutes so that it firms up, because this has to be cut into small pieces and then baked. And then with a kitchen scale or with a knife, you may measure out, and then so that the biscuits turn out equal in size, and then bake them at 170 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes, or even 180 would do. You have to keep checking, because the cooking process, the time would depend on the thickness of the cookie sheet. Thickness of these cookies, I'll show these all of them have turned out. All the 3 cookies have to be done in the same way. So this is how these yummy cookies, and each has a distinct taste, and it will be loved by your family. That is my guarantee. So please do try out this yummy and tasty and healthy cookies and serve it to your friends or give them as gift to your dear ones. Please do share, like and subscribe to Gluten Free India and for other such videos. Thank you.